Grace, no? I think that's your very first acting stint, no? And now I think you're going to play a bigger role for this movie. Siguro from that first experience, ano yung lessons na you think madadala mo sa pagganap mo this time, the Cinemalaya entry?
Yes, my very first acting gig was a cameo in Saving Grace as Grace. Actually, when I was casted to play the older Grace, ano lang yun, parang, wait Kai, dito ka na, come here. So I didn't read the script pa nun when I was casted for Saving Grace until I was on set. So parang, okay, dapat ito gagawin mo, ganyan. Kasi sinabihan na ako na mama lang sasabihin ko. But, hindi ko alam, the scene was so dramatic. So, sabi ko, okay lang yan, mama lang yan. Pagpunta ko na sa set, the director, kasi everyone was, it was sunset. So, everyone was trying to get the shot while the sun was setting. So, it's limited. We can't do it for so long or tomorrow. It has to be done today. Parang, mama lang sinabi sa akin, but dapat dramatic. So I guess I learned that I must study my character beforehand. And kaya ngayon, binigyan na ako ng script, and although it's not the final script, it is gonna be an information for me about my character and all. Kaya binasa ko na, make sure hindi mama yung sasabihin ko or something like that. Hindi papa na. Pero I learned that I must study my character talaga before isabat na sa role.
Thank you po.
And then